One more thing, the dollar is receding, Asian currencies are rising. Why is Korea the market's top pick? The US dollar's decade-long bull run may be coming to an end, and global capital is now searching for the next undervalued market. In the past 10 years, global money has poured into the US. Why? Because the American economy seemed to outshine the rest. Investing in US stocks and bonds was seen as the most profitable strategy. In financial circles, this was known as US exceptionalism. It's like a grand banquet where everyone thinks the dishes at the US table are the best, so they all squeeze in. Naturally, the dollar's value rises. But now, the tide is turning. As the banquet winds down, people are starting to realize that other tables may offer better value. Global investors are asking themselves, have I invested too much in the US? So they're quietly moving money out of the US and into other markets. Once the capital starts flowing out, the dollar's dominant position is no longer guaranteed. This is the big picture behind the rise of Asian currencies, the first and most important domino. And among all the Asian currencies, Korea stands out as the strongest contender in this round of appreciation, thanks to supportive domestic policies and strong market resilience. Firstly, Korea's government is pulling out all the stops. The new South Korean administration has moved quickly. On one hand, they announced a 250 trillion Korean won supplementary budget that's essentially pumping money into the economy. On the other hand, they're pushing for major corporate reforms to make Korea's stock market more attractive to global investors. And the results? Immediate and obvious. The Korean stock market has surged over 30%, and foreign investors, who had previously exited, have returned, bringing back $2.5 billion in the past month alone. It's like a store that got renovated and launched a big promotion. Of course, customers are coming back. And with more capital flowing in, the demand for KRW increases, boosting its value. Second, the Korean won is a high elasticity player. One term frequently mentioned in reports is high beta. Don't worry, it just means the won is very responsive. For example, if the dollar drops 1%, other currencies may rise 1%, but the Korean won? It might rise 1.5% or even 2%. So in a dollar decline environment, the won offers even greater potential upside. Of course, all forecasts carry risk. Markets can shift in a flash. This is Ultima Markets. See you next week.